about sad eye. What's your brother? You a lying motherfucker. You ain't got the same father, nor the same mother, nor the same brother, nor the same sister. Okay, you was just a little nigga, now you got a little bigger. Get him, sad eye was the one that was fucking your sister. Get him, which mean your sister of your brother. Get him, fuck that shit. You a lying motherfucker. Talking about
I'm half Vietnamese.
that's why I never trust you. Sammy told me you was her lick 'em low lover, an enemy undercover, and you's a fucking sucker. I'm a certified hustler, you a certified customer, nigga. Now why would I be hating on you for? On you for? Why would I be hating on you for? Why would I be hating on you for? On you for? You sleeping in the car, bro. You sleeping in the car, bro. Verse 2. Bros before hoe, nigga. You ain't heard the bro code, nigga. You in violation. You in violation. Penalized by death, breach of contract. I say hi, do you feel the contact? I'm a gangster, nigga. I was built for combat. Oh, this your hood? Then where the fuck your hood at? The only hood you got is your little fucking hood rat. I keep it real and state the fact. Believe that, I knew her ass from way back. Way back, before she got with Jack. She was with this other cat. And this other cat.
And another cat, boy.
Oh yeah, fly boy. Not tonight, boy. Gonna fly a kite, boy. Now why would I be hating on you for? On you for? Why would I be hating on you for?
Why would I be hating on you for? On you for?
You sleeping in the car, bro. You sleeping in the car, bro. Bros before a hoe, nigga. You ain't heard the bro code, nigga. You in violation.
You in violation.
You sleeping in the car, bro. You sleeping in the car, bro. That's what your ass get for fucking with a vet. You wanna roll the dice and you lost the fucking bet. And now you all upset, and then she jet. You was never her boyfriend, more like a little pet. You fucking with the best, coming straight from the west. I never ever settle for less. Go ahead, bring your best. Matter of fact, I suggest I flex and break neck before I break a fucking sweat. Don't you ever forget, the score ain't settled yet.